Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to fix call settings error, that is the network or SIM card error problem. Yes, it was an easy step. Now let's fix it. First of all, go to setting option. Here you can see SIM card and mobile network setting is there. This one, click it, and here you want to click the concerned SIM. Click this one, and access point name is there. Click the access point name, and you want to reset it. Reset default API settings, and wait for a couple of seconds. It will be reset or reset default API network completed. Yes, now go back and check other preferred network type. Yes, the preferred network type will be LTE, long term evolution. Yes, go back and click mobile network. Yes, and wait for a couple of seconds. It is searching the mobile network right now. So wait a couple of seconds to search a network. As you can see now, the available networks are coming right now. Click the your concerned network. I am using Geo, so I am clicking Geo 4G. As it's registered right now. So this is how to fix call setting error, that is network or SIM card error problem in your mobile. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned.